Hey everybody, Carl here from Aft. We've got the Sony X950G here behind me. We're going to do a quick video on how to assemble the pedestal for this one. So we've gone through the process of removing most of the box already. So from here, you're going to want to grab that little packet of screws that you unboxed earlier and a Phillips head screwdriver. And then your first step after obviously the box is off is you're going to take these little cardboard tabs. There's 3 of them here on the back, 3 on the front. You're going to take those off and that's going to allow you to lower this cardboard piece right here. Okay, so now that we've got that all done, we're going to roll down the plastic, and then from there we'll have a second person to help us lift the TV and put the pedestal feet on. So, Tom, if you could help me out with this one, please. So plastic gets rolled down, and you can kind of see right here that there's a couple of notches, and that's what the pedestal foot is going to fit onto. Okay, so from here we're going to lift up the side of the TV, slide this styrofoam piece out, and then get the bag out from underneath. And that's going to give us access to put the pedestal foot in there, and those screws just slide onto the notches, and you can actually set it down, and that's going to hold it in place for you to put the screws in. Okay, so we've made a little discovery here that now that we have the foot on is that our screwdriver that we were going to use originally is only that long, and Sony's made it impossible to use a short screwdriver like that. So when you're doing this, make sure you have a longer screwdriver to get these in. Just kind of a little side note there. And those are just going to fit right into the back, and tighten them down, whoops, preferably without losing the tip of your screwdriver there. And there are only 2 of them, so that makes it nice and quick. And now we've got that foot assembled. All right, and now it's going to be the same process on the other side here. So we lift the TV and move the styrofoam piece out of the way. Get the plastic out of the way here, and then that's going to allow us to get the foot right into those notches and lower it for us to be able to put in our screws. One, and the second one. That sound is okay. The cable management actually comes off of here to make things a little bit easier if you need to. This piece right here, and then it just snaps back into place just like that. Okay, so now that we've got both of the feet of the pedestal on the bottom of the TV, you're gonna have your second person help you out, and we're gonna lift up from the bottom and get it out of that little styrofoam piece, and we'll flip it around here. All right, so we've got the pedestal assembled, we've got it up on the table, and that's all there is to it to setting up the pedestal for the X950G. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more.